This is the March Look Fantastic box. It is the Empowerment Edit. So let's have a little gander to see what's in here. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we have this. So this is the March Look Fantastic box. Let's free it from its cardboard prison. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know every time I upload one of my videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. What also helps is if you pop a little comment down below as well, and if you could go that step further and share my channel on your social medias with your friends and your family, that would be so fantastic. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, there's going to be a giveaway, so the quicker we can get to that, the better. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's just going to show you what the 3 prizes are. The main prize being the 2021 glossy advent calendar. This is the box. It's lovely. I am loving the pink. It's very popping indeed. So it just says women are strong, unstoppable, tough, powerful, confident, tenacious, enough. Yes, we are. So in the box we get this. It is the edit booklet. It's got information about some of the products that are in here, and then inside the box looks very neat indeed. So with Look Fantastic, it's £15 per month. You get 6 products in here, and they can range from skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup, and so on. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it will be. I have a link. I'll pop that link in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link and buy your first box, you'll get a £5 off, so that's always good. So yeah, let's rip this bad boy open. There is a little sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So back to the edit card. So it just says here, this is the empowerment issue. It's got a big long note there. I'm really sorry guys, but that's going to take ages if I read all of that. I'll put this up to the screen. If you want to read that, you can pause the screen and have a read. But let's get on with product number 1. Product number 1, we have this. So this is by the brand Espa. And this is Refining Skin Polish. This is 15 mils in here. It just says smooth and airbrush the appearance of your skin with this refining skin polish from Espa. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients, the face scrub is charged with a nourishing formula to help comfort the skin during the exfoliation process. Use 1 to 2 times a week for normal and dry skin, and once a week for oily skin. So I love Espa and I love a good facial polish. So this is only about half full. But it'll give it enough of a try to see if we like it, to then see, do we want to spend real pennies on a full size, which we'll have to seriously think about, because Espa is not a cheap brand, but it's so good. Next product we have is this. So this is a very nice size product by Joanne. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is volume cream. It just says replenish your treasures with this transforming powers of the Joanne volume styling cream. The fast absorbing cream utilises ocean silk technology to drench your locks in moisture, minimising the look of split ends and flyaways. That sounds amazing. I can't wait to use that. It just says apply the volume cream to damp hair and then blow dry to maximise volume. I might do a video on that possibly. We'll see how that works. I'm really liking the size of that. It's 125 mils that you get in here. I've never heard of that brand before, so I don't know if it's any good or not, but we will soon find out. The third item we have is this little bottle of gold. This is by the brand Emma Hardy. I love Emma Hardy products, and this is Brilliance facial oil. You get 5 mils in here. And it just says infuse your skin with the nourishing properties of Emma Hardy's Brilliance facial serum oil. Oh my goodness. A lightweight oil complex that conditions, hydrates and soothes the complexions. Formulated with 9 essential oils, this will leave your skin feeling bright and refreshed. So it just says warm a few drops in between your hands and gently press and massage the product into the skin, avoiding the eye area. Okay. You know, it's so nice to get something different by Emma Hardy and the Beauty Box, because normally we get the facial wash or we get some kind of moisturizer, so it's really nice to get an oil. So just pop that there. That feels weightless. It feels like nothing is there. That is amazing. Oh my god, that smells gorgeous. It smells so good. But yeah, look at the glow of that. That is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to try that out. Right, so the fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Star Skin Dream Kiss, and it's a biocellulose lip mask. Fab. It just says deliver your lips otherworldly hydration with the intensely nourishing properties from the Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask, formulated with natural fermented vitamin enriched sweet coconut extracts. So it just says smooth the patch gently over the lips with a little bit of pressure to optimize skin contact, and yeah, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and remove and massage the remaining serum in. So yeah, nice, easy to the point. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. So that is all that's in the booklet, but we still have 2 products left. So I've just went on their website to get information about the 2 products that I have here. So we have this one as our 5th product. So on this one it says detail shader brush worth £10.48. Oh, they've got prices on here in there. They don't have prices in the booklet. That's interesting. It just says the ultra soft synthetic bristles are cut in a dense paddle shaped brush head to offer the ultimate precision with smooth gentle application. So I really have come round to getting makeup brushes in my boxes, but this type of brush I don't use, unfortunately, so I'm not going to get any use out of that. That feels so soft and good. So that'll probably go in a future giveaway box, but it looks like a very, let me just take it out of here a minute. It looks like a very pretty brush indeed. It's white. It's like a rose gold detail in here with rose gold writing on there as well. Yeah, it's definitely very smart. The 6th product I have received is this, which I'm really happy about. So this is by the brand Revolution, and it's called the Mascara. It's worth £8, and it just says the creamy emulsion perfectly balances synthetic plant-derived waxes and film forming agents. It lifts, takes the lashes to new heights with a gentle on the eyes agent. That sounds freaking awesome. The other products you could have possibly gotten, again, was a Revolution mascara, the same one but waterproof. Or you could get the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade I can't even talk properly, Sandstorm. But let's have a look at the bristles on this. That was really satisfying. That's very interesting. So it looks a bit clumpy. I think it might be one of them mascaras where it'll improve as it dries down. Yeah, but it looks a little bit wet and clumpy at the moment. But again, it could be absolutely fantastic the way it is. I'm really liking the look of the bristles. I wonder if they'll grab my lashes and do something magical with them. Please God, my lashes need help. But yeah, I'm really liking the look of that. Right guys, so this is the March Look Fantastic box, the Empowerment Edit. What do you think? So personally, I really like this box. I love the size of the hair product. It's actually a decent size, which is amazing. I'm loving we got a mascara, which is obviously also a full size. The Espa product, I can't wait to try out. It just looks so good. I love a good skin polish. A nice little lip mask, and then the oil by Emma Hardy, amazing. We've got the brush. If it was any other type of brush, like a fluffy eye one, I probably would have used it, but that's not the type of eye brushes that I use. But yeah, I really love this box, guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think. But before I forget, I am just going in my book. That is a sneak peek of April's box, so it's an advanced product. I know people have a lot of mixed thoughts on Avant. Some people saying something about, is it business addresses or something like that? It's fake and they shouldn't be charging as much as they do. I don't know, but I've only had nice experience with their products, and I wouldn't be able to afford them if I was buying them myself. I just wouldn't. I couldn't buy them. So I'm very grateful to get them in the beauty boxes that I get. So what we'll be getting is a replenishing lip balm. Oh, and it's worth £56. Yeah, I wouldn't be spending £56 on a lip balm, so it's nice to get one in here. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.